Hey guys, it's Lauren. Alright, it's been a while since I've done this. I've been really fucking busy and it's been really annoying because I haven't had time to do anything.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
But I have picked up some new stuff. So one thing I got recently was the Midas Cosmetics neon pigments. So I'm gonna be using a couple of those today. I'm gonna be using my Makeup Forever Flash palette. I don't know what else. I don't know. What do you guys expect from me? Nothing, I hope, because why is one of my brushes in here? Well, I'm actually gonna use a primer today because I don't want to fuck my face up. I'm pretty sure every time I use way too much of the Benefit primer, so.
I don't know what I'm doing.
And again, that's just the Benefit pore-fessional ASMR. So yeah, I bought a bunch of new shit. I bought some like Midas Cosmetics shit. I got a bunch of Morphe stuff. I think that's it. It seemed like a lot more in my head. Oh, I'm an actual idiot. I haven't done this in so long that I was literally just holding my ball. Hopefully I can edit that out.
Bruh.
So, I definitely want to do a fluffy brow, and I did get Morphe's brow gel, which I have not tried. But first I'm going to start with my Colourpop concealer, wherever it is. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Morphe brow gel. Ooh, this is very gel-y. I hate myself. Oh, there's a lot on this brush, but it doesn't really seem to be doing what I want it to. Now I'm going to have to pat some of the excess off, which is annoying. Okay, so far the Colourpop brow gel is better, in my opinion, for what I want my brows to do. The Colourpop one is definitely better. Also drier. This one is very wet. Okay, I also brought two new colors of brow gel, or brow pencil. I bought Biscotti and Hazelnut. Biscotti's like more of a blonde, so that's Biscotti. And that's Hazelnut. I think Hazelnut's like a cooler brown. Biscotti's more of like a blonde warm tone. I feel like today I want to use Hazelnut. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do a black smoky eye on like half of my eye, if that makes sense. Probably not. I just used the NYX Liquid Suede cream liner, or not liner, cream lipstick. I'm just setting it with Spooky from the James Charles Morphe palette. I have a darker black in a Huda Beauty palette, but I forget where I put that palette.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
It's like the Smoky Obsessions palette. The black in that is so black. Okay, I think I'm actually so insane right now. I just realized that I put on black eyeshadow and didn't powder my, like I only have concealer on my face. I didn't put powder on. I didn't do anything. I just started, am I okay? Who said I was a, I forgot that I should use a little bit under my eye as well. eyeshadow is hella patchy, so I'm gonna go find my Huda Beauty. This black. Okay, so now, how do I want to do this? I guess I'm gonna powder and shit now. I'm gonna use Colourpop translucent powder because I'm a slut for Colourpop. I'm gonna use my Colourpop private party. I feel like this is taking forever, so I feel like I'm gonna smoke another bowl. Now I have my tiny little MAC brush. Where did the lid for that just go? Oh, it's in my lap. Okay. And I'm gonna take the white from my Makeup Forever palette. Oh fuck. I'm an idiot. I just put my fucking elbow into water. Okay, well, like 18 hours later, here we go. This one is way better than this one. Alright, now I'm gonna put a bit of white eyeshadow base down from NYX. And I'm gonna use the green. Ooh, bitch, that's so bright. Damn. So this is, the yellow is Insomniac, and the green is Massive. They're both glow stick pigments. Okay, so I don't know what I want to do to my lips, but I'm gonna line my inner waterline. I want to do my inner eyelashes white. I'm gonna use a little bit more of my Makeup Forever and just kind of paint it on. What am I doing?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I don't know if I did that the best way or the easiest way, but I did it. So, don't worry, this isn't the final lip look. Trust. Okay, I feel like I did that the hardest way I possibly could have, but alright, I'm gonna use my Moonchild Glow Kit and use Lucky Star, Lucky Clover, whatever the fuck. Last step is my lashes. I feel like this came out pretty sick. Little galaxy, galactic type of. Alright, and I think this is it for my neon green avant-garde look. Alright, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It'll be the first one I've posted in a while, so
I'm still a piece of garbage.
sorry, I'm the worst. I hope to be doing this more often now that I'm almost done my schooling, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.